Right, as part of Operation Sindoor, India's diplomatic outreach to global capital that begins today. It is a group of 7 delegations that will start leaving today. There is one delegation that's leaving today for UAE. That delegation is led by Eknath Shinde. It will also visit Congo, Sierra Leone and Liberia as well. Now, these delegations will keep leaving till the 25th of this month. There is another delegation that's leaving tomorrow. That delegation is led by DMK's Kanimoy. It will leave for Russia, Slovenia, Greece, Latvia and Spain. And then you have another delegation that's leaving tomorrow that's led by JDU Sanjay Jha. It will leave for Japan, Korea, Singapore, Indonesia and Malaysia. So overall the engagement plan is to visit 30 plus countries and of course these MPs, these parliamentarians, policymakers and of course ambassadors will be part of these delegations to apprise the world of a new normal so far as India's approach to a no-tolerance approach to terror is concerned. This, remember, is in the aftermath of the Pahalgam terror attack where at least 26 people were killed mercilessly in a very brutal manner by Pakistan-sponsored terrorists. So the idea behind this tour, behind this outreach essentially is to apprise the world of how Pakistan foments terror, how it gives shelter to terrorists on its own soil. The other thing that these MPs and parliamentarians and ambassadors will apprise the world is how Operation Sindoor was conducted, how the strikes were precise. They didn't impact any civilian infrastructure. They did impact these terror hotbeds that are in Pakistan. The other thing to note here is that Vikram Misri, the Foreign Secretary, briefed some of these delegations that are leaving today and tomorrow. There will be another briefing that will be conducted on May 23rd. The briefing will be along similar lines on India's no-nonsense approach to terror and how, most importantly, Pakistan has been spreading misinformation and disinformation and how the world really needs to unite when it comes to terrorism, given that the impact is not just felt by a single country but global capitals, by people across the globe.